Subscribe! Like! Click!
Today's fan art is none other than Zoey. Get ready for Zoey's mukbang. Hit that like button and we'll get started. Let's go. I've prepared some long vertical paper. Fold the long paper in half. Fold the top paper down 3 centimeters and outwards. I've made a quick sketch. Draw large eyes with downward slanted eyebrows and thick eyeliner. I'll draw the lines for you with a black marker pen. I'm drawing Zoey, the youngest member of K-pop Demon Hunters. Draw the line so the bangs are short and the ends split in a zigzag pattern. The cheeks are plump and round. The jawline is defined by a small curve to express the face. Create a braided look by continuously drawing small, convex curves. Zoey's braided hairstyle pulled up on both sides is always adorable. Draw along the crease line of the small lips. Now I'll unfold the paper so the pictures connect. I'll connect the lines and draw sharp teeth in a very large mouth. You're always so bright and lively, though sometimes a bit scatterbrained. But what about your expression today? Please cleanly erase and tidy up the sketch lines. Place the cut of full paper over the drawing. This way, the outline shows through slightly, making it easier to gauge the size and shape. I'm going to draw the corn Zoey likes. Let's have fun coloring! Yay! Apply a salmon pink base color all over your face. Hurry up! The eyeliner is emphasized with a very deep black. I used 2 shades of brown to express the iris. I'll add a highlight to the pupils with a white acrylic pen. Oh! Pale pink. I'll apply Prussian blue as the base color for your entire hair. Which member of the group Hunter/X do your friends like the most? I can't choose. Heh, Zoey seems so cute. I'll draw lines with a thin acrylic pen to create hair texture. Use a white acrylic pen to draw the highlight lines. I added a pop of color to the eyes to make them stand out. I'll color the picture inside the folded paper too. Inside the fold, strangely, hilariously, delightfully, try drawing it. Reverse image drawings are always fun, you know. Wine red color quickly paints your entire mouth. The reason Zoey eats so well is probably because she has a big mouth, Lowell. I even signed my name. Ta-da! All right, enjoy Zoey's popcorn mukbang. Yummy, yummy. yummy. Yummy, yummy. Wow, popcorn that tastes great no matter how much you eat. Zoe's going to eat it all. If you enjoyed it, hit subscribe and like. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.